Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am just filming this look of Alyssa from End of the Bleeping World. That is literally one of my favorite shows and I always end up watching it. It's like Stranger Things. I finished the whole series in a day. It's only I think like 4 hours long. So I just finished season 2 yesterday and I loved it. You guys should definitely watch it. Comment down below your favorite character. Mine is James, but I also love Alyssa. I just love their whole relationship dynamic. I think they're so like, I just don't even know, dysfunctional, but also like the cutest thing in the world because they obviously care about each other so much and it's like just so cute. I just love the show. I love the style of the show. I love how it's filmed. Everything's so beautiful and like kind of gloomy. Very my aesthetic, which you guys probably wouldn't guess from my YouTube or my room, but in my daily life I dress pretty much exactly like Alyssa does, and so I have a bunch of outfits that could easily be Alyssa's outfits. And yeah, if you guys want to see some outfits slash how I got her look and her hair and her makeup, then just go ahead and keep watching. So I already straightened my hair, but I have this really bad habit of tucking it behind my ears. Oh, it's itchy. So I'll probably have to redo that, but for now I'm just gonna clip the hair out of the way. I am so excited to get my hair done, you guys. I wish I could have it done for this video. I'm literally getting her exact hair because it's like my dream hair. I just love it so much, but I have to have all these videos filmed before I leave in 3 days, so sorry. Anywho, I'm just gonna start by using a bit of concealer on any blemishes I have because she does have really clear skin. Okay, so I'm just going in with my Tarte Shape Tape. And now I'm gonna go in with my Glossier Cloud Paint in the shade Storm. She does have quite a cute little flushed kind of face just naturally, so I'm gonna try to emulate that. I'm gonna put a little on my lips and some on my cheeks. I'm just gonna put it focusing mostly on my upper cheekbone, and whatever's left I'll take down like the side of my face like so. That might seem kind of weird, but when you're running and you know you have a naturally kind of flushed face, it's never like this. It's always kind of like a triangle on the side of your cheek. I'll insert an image here of what I'm kind of trying to emulate. Now I'm gonna take just the slightest bit of bronzer on my forehead, just because personally I think it looks a little weird to have a lot of color on your cheeks and none on your forehead. And of course, we have to add her famous freckles. So I'm gonna be using my Freck today. And if you guys want to get some, here's my code. I'll also have it linked down below. You'll get 10% off, so that's pretty sweet. And yeah, let me zoom you in. Ugh. So we just want a really nice natural freckled look like so. Not gonna do any eye makeup, not gonna do literally anything. The only thing I'm gonna do, which might seem a little weird, is she always looks quite tired because you know they're like on the run and committing crime. I'm gonna take a little bit of purple eyeshadow very lightly. I'm gonna take this one from this NYX palette and I'm gonna give myself some eye bags or like dark circles because she kind of has that, I don't even know what you would call it, like not drugged out look, but just like tired look. And I don't know, you guys might think this is weird, but I occasionally do this because I literally love the look so much of just like looking tired. Isn't that weird? I just think it's cute. I'm obviously gonna blend this out. Please don't roast me. Okay, so now that it looks like I'm an abuse victim or I just got a nose job, I'm gonna blend that out with my finger. And there you have it. It's very subtle, but I feel like it just kind of makes you look a little bit more tired and a little more worn out. Yeah, that's the makeup. It's so easy. But now I'm just gonna take out these clips. And just look at these roots. I'm ready to get my hair dyed. Anywho, I'm just gonna straighten these front pieces. Alright, so there is the look. It's so easy. And now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some outfits that you can do that are inspired by Alyssa. So keep on watching. Alright you guys, so that concludes this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and be sure to hit the bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video, and be sure to follow my socials. I'll be posting this look on my Instagram along with like the outfits and everything, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.